Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance with Humana, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your insurance with Humana, start by gathering your current policy information. Collect your policy number, personal identification details, and any relevant documentation. Visit the official Humana website or contact their customer service for assistance. Log into your online account or create one if you do not have it yet. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance transfer section of the website. Carefully read the instructions provided for transferring your policy. Fill out the required forms with accurate details regarding your current insurance. Include the reasons for your transfer and any new coverage options you are interested in. If you are transferring to another plan within Humana, review the available options to ensure they meet your needs. After completing the forms, double-check all the information for accuracy. Submit your transfer request through the online portal or by mailing the necessary documents. Keep a copy of all submitted information for your records. Monitor the status of your transfer request by checking your email or logging back into your Humana account. If you have not received confirmation within the specified timeframe, follow up with customer service. Once your transfer is approved, review your new policy documents carefully. Ensure that all details are correct and that your new coverage meets your requirements. Finally, contact Humana again if you have any questions or need further assistance regarding your new policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.